Okay, so guys, it's day number 2 and I am back to show you what my curls look like. I'm on my way out the door. This is my reaction with your reaction. Oh, and I did add a couple rollers at the top for curls that I felt like didn't really set that well. So, let's see, day 2. Day 2. Oh. Why this falling down like this? That's not convincing, y'all. That's not convincing. Okay, so we got this right here. This is scary. Okay, let's see. Let's take these out. Hopefully the ones that I rolled came back a little bit better. Okay, well, that's a little better. Alright, so let's see what we got. Oh, we got one more back here. Okay, so in today's style, what I need to happen is we need to see the potential of what this hair needs to look like tomorrow. So I'm gonna kind of just rake my fingers through it, see if we can get a uniform curl going on here, some foliage. Okay, I mean, this is cute. You know?